Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Shailesh Sharma and thank you for sharing my videos with your friends. I am getting so many positive comments that these videos are very helpful. Now coming to our study, in our previous class we discussed up to exercise 5.3 question number 5. So today we will continue from question number 6. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 says, क्वेश्चन जो है वर्ड्स में दिया हुआ है उसको मैं यहाँ पे नंबर्स में लिखा हूँ. द क्वेश्चन says, इफ फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP is 17, लास्ट टर्म is 350 and common difference is 9, find the number of terms and sum of n terms. ओके, सो हमारे पास A है, AN है और D है. So six. What we know that nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. जो चीज़ हमको दिया है हम उसी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So an is 350, A is 17 plus N we don't know and D is 9. So 17 comes this side, 350 minus 17 is equal to N minus 1 into 9. Now 350 minus 17 is 333. This 9 will come down, is equal to n minus 1, which means n minus 1 is equal to 9. When you cancel, 9 1s are, 9 3s are, 9 7s are, that is 37. So value of n will be 38. N we got, that is 38. Now sum of n terms is Sn. अब हमारे पास दो फॉर्मूले हैं, हम वो फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे जो इजी पड़े. हमको यहाँ पे लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है. सो सम ऑफ n टर्म्स इज n by 2 a plus an. अगर आप 2a plus n minus 1 into d लगाएंगे तो भी वही आंसर आएगा, बट अगर इजी हो सकता है क्वेश्चन तो उसको इजी करो. So n is 38, just we found 2, a is 17, an is 350. So this will cancel 19 times and 350 plus 70, this is 367. Okay, now you have to multiply this, then you will get your answer. This you will get 6973. So this is sum of first n terms. Okay, next is question number 7. The question says, find the sum of first 22 terms of AP if common difference is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay, so what is given? Common difference D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. You have to find sum of 22 terms is what? ठीक है. Now अब ये कैसे बनेगा? हमको A22 दिया है और D भी दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो जो भी बनेगा इन्हीं दोनों से बनेगा. सो दिस इज A22 इज नथिंग बट an. नाउ nth टर्म इज गिवन बाय an is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So if I write A22, so this will become A plus 22 minus 1 is 21D. A22 is given 149, A we don't know, 21, D is given 7. So 149 is equal to A plus 147. So when 147 transported this side, A will become 149 minus 147. So value of A will be 2. So ये हमको मिल गया A का वैल्यू. Okay, and we have to find S22. So sum of first n terms, that is Sn, is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find S22. So in place of n, I will write 22, that is 22 by 2. जहाँ जहाँ n लिखा है वहाँ 22. 2 a के प्लेस पे 2 प्लस n के प्लेस पे 22 रखूँगा. 22 minus 1 is 21 and d is 7. So S22 is equal to 2 by 22 is 11, 2 2s are 4, and this is 147, 147 plus 4, 151. So when you solve, you get 1661. This is sum of first 22 terms. Okay. Next is question number 8. Question says find the sum of first 51 terms if second term is 14 and third term is 18. Okay, so question is like value of sum of 51 terms is what if second term is 14 and third term is 18. So when we solve, the second term is 14. So what is second term? A plus D equal to 14. Okay. And third term is 18. Third term means A plus 2D, that is equal to 18. This is equation number 2. These two equations can be solved by elimination method. So equation 2 minus equation 1 मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. This minus this, a minus a cancel, 2d minus d, that is d, and 18 minus 14 is 4. So value of d is 4. When you substitute here 4 will go that side and a will get 20. So substituting value of d in equation 1, then this will be a plus 4 is equal to 14. So a is equal to 10. So these two things we got. Value of a is 10, value of d is 4. We have to find S51. So sum of n terms, आप वो line लिख लेना, that sum of n terms is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. अब देखो अभी मैंने an वाला टर्म यूज़ नहीं किया यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि हमको लास्ट टर्म का कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. तो हमारे पास a है, d है और n है, तो इसीलिए हम इस फॉर्मूले पे गए. n इज हाउ मच 51, बिकॉज S51 आपको निकालना है. सो दिस इज विल बी 51 by 2. Value of a is 10 plus when n place of n you will write 51 minus 1 will be 50 and d value of d is 4. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2, 54s are 200 and this is 20, that is 220. So 51 into 1 1 0. So there will be 1 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 5s are 55 plus 1 56. So this is sum of first 51 terms of the given AP. Okay, this is question number 8. Next is question number 9. Mark this question as important question. The question says, if sum of first 7 terms is 49 and sum of first 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. Okay, so solution 9. Two things are given. Sum of 7 terms is 49 and sum of 17 terms 289. Only these two things are given, nothing else is given. You have to find sum of n terms. Okay, now sum of n terms is what? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. Therefore first it is given as 7. So if I put 7 here, in place of n I am writing 7, then this will be 7 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. Okay, now S7 value is given 49. So this will be 49, 7 by 2 into, check 2 or 6. I take 2 common, it will be a plus 3d. 2 and 2 cancel, 7 7 जा 49. ये न्यूमरेटर है, इधर नीचे आएगा तो कैंसिल होगा, मैं डायरेक्ट कर दिया हूँ. सो व्हाट आई गेट, a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is my equation number 1. Okay, again like I written S7, S17 is also given. So similarly S17 is equal to 17 by 2. S17 is equal to 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1 will be 16d. Now what is S17? 289 is 17 by 2 into, again 2 can be common, so a plus 8d. 2 cancel, 17 17 square is 289. So I get a plus 8d is equal to 17. Equation number 2. So हमको दो इक्वेशन मिले. Again elimination method. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So a minus a cancel, 8d minus 3d, that is 5d. 17 minus 7, that is 10. So value of d is equal to 2. When you substitute value of d here, that is 3 2s are 6. 6 will be transported, so 7 minus 6 is 1. So by substituting value of d in equation 1, I am writing it directly, but आपको solve करना होगा. Value of a is 1. Okay, so हमको a मिल गया, d मिल गया. We have to find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is this. तो n तो हमको रखना नहीं है, n के प्लेस पे n रहेगा. 2, value of a is 1 plus n minus 1, value of d is 2. So this will be n by 2. This is 2 plus, when I multiply this, 2n and multiply 2 with 1 minus 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So this will be n by 2 into 2n. 2 cancel and square. So sum of n terms is n square. This is our question number 9. Next is question number 10. The question says if a1, a2, a3, an form an AP where an is equal to this 9 minus 5n, find the sum of 15 terms. So एक ही चीज दिया हुआ है, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Now what is given? an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Okay, so therefore a1 first term a1, first term is a1, तो n के प्लेस पे 1 रखना है. So that will be 9 minus 5 into 1. So that is 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4. So our first term is 4. Again if I write a2 second term, then it will be 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10. So a2 is minus 1. So अब मेरे पास फर्स्ट टर्म है और सेकेंड टर्म है. So therefore common difference D is second term minus first term, that is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, and first term A, first term A1 means A first term, that is 4. So अब मेरे पास D भी है और A भी है, and I have to find S15. So what is Sn? Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore S15 is equal to 15 by 2. 2 value of A is 4 plus n is 15. 15 minus 1 will be 14, and value of D is minus 5. So this will be 15 by 2 into 4 2s are 8 minus 70, that is 15 by 2 into minus 62, that is 15 by 2. 2 से ये कैंसिल होगा 31 टाइम्स. So 15 into minus 31, 15 ones are 15, carry 1, 15 threes are 45 plus 1, 46. So sum of 15 terms is minus 465. सिमिलरली एक क्वेश्चन इसका, ये मैंने सेकेंड पार्ट बनाया है, इसी में एक फर्स्ट पार्ट ए और दिया हुआ है आपको. ठीक है, वो ए आपको दिया हुआ है 3 plus 4n. ये जो 9 minus 5n है उसकी जगह पे आपको दिया है 3 plus 4n. वो भी पूरा सेम बनेगा, एक बार 1 रखो एक बार 2 रखो, बाकी सेम आपको बनाना है. तो वो क्वेश्चन आप बना लेंगे. सो दिस इज अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10.